This is my gym workout. Oh, my legs hurt so much. This is torture. So we have come to IKEA. Need some house bits. It's been a few months since we came last and I'm still missing a few bits from my house. So thought I'd bring you along with us. Suzie! Suzie! Pray for me. I'm just here for the meatballs, quite frankly. Veggie meatballs and real meatballs. IKEA trips are forever going to suck now that I am veggie, so yeah. Been in here 3.5 seconds, I've already seen so many things that I want to buy. This is going to be a practice on self-restraint. Sometimes. The bedroom there is so messy, it gives me anxiety. Like, it's got so much like
stuff.
hanging stuff.
Yeah, why?
The room makes me so anxious. So messy. That's how organised my closet should be. Oh wow. This is what I want. So this feels like I'm literally going through someone's like
I know, it's a bit weird, isn't it? Yeah, that would be cute. Would you have that picture in it too? This picture right here.
Imagine if this was American wardrobe, it would be like a museum.
Give us a twirl with your bag.
So, things I need are cutlery divider, which I didn't get last time because I got the wrong size. Knives and forks. She's still laughing about that. Everyone that comes around looks, they open that drawer and they're like, what is this?
Yes, also because you have about 50 pairs of knives,
yes.
spoons.
Is that not normal? How much cutlery do you have?
Not a single human being.
Yes, but I wasn't before, so I've got cutlery from before.
Okay, so double.
But I still,
because it's new cutlery.
yeah, but I need to get rid of the old ones because they're like tarnishing and going gross and I don't like that. So need new cutlery. I love my matte black cutlery, it's the best. What is going on here? Bike trails. What else is on my list? A little chubby candle.
Yeah, chubby candle.
Maybe look at garden furniture just for a bit of my balcony. Are we in the cutlery? We're in the cutlery bit. Okay, let's not forget. Because basically, if we forget anything this time, we're not going back for it. Because lunch is more important.
So which one do you need then?
This one, and it's going to go that way.
Oh, okay.
If I get it wrong, I will cry. I will actually like sob, tears of despair, and then I will throw it away and I will forever just have a sad kitchen.
Still with your millions and millions of pieces of cutlery. Funny how we call it pieces, isn't it?
I think what is it meant to be? Pieces, bits.
Bits of cutlery, some cutlery pieces. Oh. Oh, these are cute. Little pots. I love little things.
Oh, there's so many jokes I want to make right now.
So funny, nowhere.
It's like when we did the wet look at the
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Like, there's so many jokes I want to make. A really inappropriate bag.
Yes, but now you've got this, so you can use both. Oh, that was close.
Really like those. Lauren's taking a pic so we don't forget. Also really like these lights, but don't know where they're gonna live. Just love them, they're so pretty. And with the fake greenery as well, it's very cute.
Dreams.
Oh, this is the hallway. That big stretch of wall where there's nothing.
Where?
Oh wait, there's a radiator, isn't there? Or I can make the whole wall in the dressing room like that. Because it's really dark on that side anyway. Oh, I really like it. That's my next project. I just really love this.
You're not allowed in. Yes!
Make Iceland.
Yes.
Like alcohol-y ones.
Yes.
Round 2 of our last situation. If you haven't watched the previous IKEA vlog, I'll link it below. I have to find a pan that goes with my induction hob. Let's see if I remember which one it is. Found them, in case anyone was wondering. Not as painful as I thought. This thing says it right there. Not that you can see because it's blurry, so yeah, there we go. I feel like we're doing a much better job on this than we were on the last trip. We will not be going around again twice.
You see her, she's judging me. Right there. Little sneaky head.
She just loves it so much. She's so happy, she's just like vlogging on her own. She's obsessed with these.
Yeah, not in a weird way. Not like teeth or fingers. I'm not a murderer, basically.
Done. Bought some little lantern things which will be cute both inside and outside. Fake plants. Well, some real, but one fake. And then some organisy stuff. Yeah, that was very eloquent, organisy stuff. So we're going to get this all home.
So, what do you think? Oh no!
They're basically made of vegetables. But there's bits of sweet corn.
We're trying out the veggie meatballs, guys.
I'm going to try one with gravy on.
Is the gravy nice then? Because that's veggie gravy as well.
Yeah, the gravy's alright. Bit of cheese. I feel like a child. You know when you're a kid, you're like, bit of
yeah.
cheese? That was me.
I mean, you're really altering them, to be fair, and they're still... Look at that face, guys. Still not great.
This is good. Don't know what this is, but I really like it.
It looks like spinachy.
Or like cabbagey.
Oh.
Sweet potato. Love that.
It's a no from us.
Sad. Right, we need to be in and out of here. Otherwise I'm going to spend a small fortune. In and out, lads. Oh wow. That's so cute. Look at that chair! I want the chair. Oh, this is where it all crumbles. Literally in the first couple of minutes. Wow. Pink Barbie chair of dreams. Oh my god. I want it. I need it. Where do I put it? Hello everybody, it is a couple of weeks later. I literally just did some home shopping and I realised that I hadn't ended the come shopping with me in IKEA vlog, so I thought that I would show you these things that I've picked up and show you everything in its home. Very, very happy with everything that I bought. But today I actually just popped out and picked up, oh, I can't, this is so hard one-handed. I picked up some of these little glass frames. Those of you that have seen like my home videos before will know I really love these kind of like clear frames. They're very like, what are they, like 1950s style, almost like a little throwback nod to that. I say that because I just remember my great nanny having a lot of stuff like this and I feel like it's that era. I'm probably wrong, but that's just what it reminds me of. So anyway, boring commentary over. I bought two. I have a lot of Polaroid pictures at the moment that I don't just want to like shove in a box or like just keep in a pile on the side. So I thought I'd pick up a couple more of these because they're really great for like collaging pictures in. So you might have seen, but just in case you haven't, I have scattered around the flat really like lots of little photo frames like this. So I've got a glass one here. This is me and my friend Lucy, and then I've got this one here which I just love. This makes me really, really happy. I just love all of the photos in that. So yeah, I picked up a couple more because I have some really cute pictures from Victoria's Hen Do and just from like the past couple of months, like Disney and stuff like that, that I would love to put in frames. So I picked up two ones like this and I picked up different sizes so that one can sit in front of the other. I haven't decided yet where they're going to sit. So yeah, that is what I picked up from Oliver Bonus. And then I also went to Marks and Spencer's and picked up some new bedding. I very rarely buy home stuff anymore, really. Like what you see me buy on YouTube is all that I buy. So the last time I went home shopping was like, my voice is going, wow, I've been really ill lately. The last time I went home shopping, I think was like in January, and I did an IKEA come shopping with me again. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link it. So yeah, I really don't home shop that much anymore. When I lived in my previous place, I used to home shop all the time and I spent an absolute fortune. I don't feel like it was worth it. So I try and buy things just when I need them now, and I'm definitely in need of new bedding. It's been like 2 years now since I bought new bedding, and I love my bedding, which is why I haven't bought new bedding. So I basically just picked the same one up but in grey, just because I feel like I'm a messy person and I should not have white bedding anymore, basically. Also, look what arrived today! You probably will have seen a clip of that in another vlog, and to me chat about that in another vlog, because I plan on filming another vlog. Anyway, down here, I'm gonna get started with my IKEA stuff. I have these little lanterns and candles. I bought the candles separately, but you will have seen I also got those from IKEA. I really love these. I probably will never light them because I'm so scared of like things catching fire. I watched that Francis the Firefly like cartoon thing way too much at school, and it scarred me for life. So it did its job. Also got, which I haven't used yet, and actually I should because it's Pride this weekend, these make your own ice lolly little things, and I've got some elderflower stuff to go in it. So I think I'm gonna make like gin and elderflower ice lollies because goals, quite frankly. Oh my god. Best bit of going to IKEA. Ta-da! That is literally the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. It's actually not as tidy today as it has been. Normally we've got a few more like Durachrome spoons in here, making it look like cute and fancy. But yeah, I just love it. So much neater. I've stripped it of the old gross knives and forks that were kind of like loitering around at the bottom. It's just so organised. I love it. And it fits. Thank God. Only took me 6 months, but I finally got that sorted. So I don't know if you'll remember seeing this. I can't remember if it was in the vlog. Weird little lamp that looks like it's from that film. I can't remember what that film's called. The one where they live inside the flower. Oh, I just love it. I actually managed to break it within the first like 12 hours of having it, but fortunately my dad's really good with stuff like that. And rather than me duct taping it back together, he actually like properly fixed it. It makes me really happy. It looks really, really cute when it's on. And like at night it just looks all cozy. Ignore my hangers. So yeah, there's a reason there's a pile of hangers there, because I got new ones. Where are they? I'll show you. Oh, I still have a few left over. I picked up a lot of black velvet hangers. My friends are gonna have the pink ones because they all need new hangers anyway. I got some in rose gold, which live in this room. And then I got some in gold, which live in my other wardrobe, just to kind of section everything, really. I just love it. Yes, that is all my jackets, for anyone that's wondering. But yeah, makes me really, really happy. It looks so nice and like organised, but like my wardrobe is now perfect. Also, I thought I'd do an outfit of the day whilst I'm just like walking around my flat, just to break this up a bit. I'm wearing this pretty little thing. This is meant to be a jacket, I think, but it works as kind of like a jacket dress. I love it so much. Pretty Little Thing every so often come out with an absolute gem that looks way more expensive than it actually is. It's one of those things that I'm just like, I will have this forever. I just feel like there's so few things like this in stock at the moment, and I just absolutely love it. So yeah, wearing that, and then my mango cowboy boots, and then I was also wearing this bag, which is currently full of Colin the Caterpillars, and is that what they're called? And Percy Pigs, which is a story for another day, quite frankly. But yeah, that is my outfit for today. I will link this and anything that I can find that is like similar in the info box, because I actually can't remember if this is, I don't think this is still in stock. Oh, and then I'm wearing my Olivia Burton watch, Dior friendship bracelet, and then like everything else is just super minimal. And I'll link to the cowboy boots if I can find them or similar as well. Why am I so weird? Why am I like this? I also got some drawer dividers. So these are for my sunglasses, which have just been kind of like scattered in this drawer, and I hated it because this drawer is now so organised. It makes my soul very happy. Super chuffed with that. And I also have dividers in my bedroom as well. So I have dividers for my gym stuff. I haven't been to the gym enough recently, so this drawer is actually like quite overfilled, but it really works at like keeping, especially my like trainer socks for my gym stuff, keeps them so organized. And then we also have this drawer, which again, very, very tidy. Woo! Trying to remember if that was it. Just looking around my flat, like what else did I buy? Oh, I got more knives and forks, the matte black. Love that set so much. But I feel like that is it. We also went to Marks and Spencer's on the way home and I picked up some of these glasses. They are gorgeous. I just love anything that's got that kind of like pearlescent effect to it. Just really speaks to me. Yeah. What's my hair doing? Oh, I really need to wash it. It's just like out of control today. Great. I remember now. I've got another pan for my hob thingy. And yeah, I think that is it. I think we're officially done. I like how easy home shopping is now, that I just don't really need anything. I really like having a more minimalist space compared to like my old place where it was like you could just carry on filling it with stuff until you ran out of like money or life. So that is everything I bought in IKEA, since IKEA, everything. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little come shopping with me and like show around my new things. I hope you're all having a lovely, lovely, lovely day and I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye.